Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmades.com, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you my December customer thank you cards, and I featured the lovely inside and out bundle to create the cards. So you can purchase this bundle in my online Stampin' Up! Store. So when you buy the bundle, you actually save 10% when you get the stamp set as well as the framelits together. So here are my December customer thank you cards and the little gift that I sent to everyone. So I made 5 varieties of this card, and I really love how this card turned out. It is gorgeous. I used some of the new Painted with Love designer series paper, and then you can see where I used those thinlits, and I used the word lovely here, and I actually did the outline of the word lovely, and then I added on the as can be as well. And then I've got a little bit of vellum here just to kind of break up that busy designer paper so that you can see the lovely a little bit better. And so I've got a couple other ones. So that's the Rich Razzleberry, and then here is the Melon Mambo. Then we've got Calypso Coral, and then lastly I also made Powder Pink. And if your order was $75 or more during the month of December and you use the hostess code, you are getting a package of the little bow paper clips. These little clips are so cute. They're actually a retired item, but they're so cute. I thought there was a cute little gift to give. And if your order was less than $75, but you use the host code, you will get a little sampling of those cute little bow paper clips, and I just put them inside of one of our 3x3 mini envelopes, added some of that designer paper to the front. I actually did the opposite side of the paper that's on the cards. So I've got a little scrap piece of Whisper White here, and we just have one little thing to stamp, and I'm going to stamp it using my Melon Mambo, and that is the As Can Be from the stamp set. So I'm just going to stamp that right here. Perfect. And now I'm going to bring in my classic label punch, and I'm going to punch this out, and I want the sentiment to be over to the left hand side. Let's punch that out. And then I'm just going to add one of our gold enamel shapes here. This is the heart. So I'll just put that right here off to the side, right about there. Looks good. There we go. Oop, that is crooked. Let me do that again. Okay, got that on a little bit better there. Okay, so there's our little sentiment. All right, so now I've got a piece of that Painted with Love designer series paper. This is 3 inches by 4 inches, and I'm just going to add it on top of this piece of Melon Mambo cardstock, and this is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4 inches. And I've got all of these measurements over on today's coordinating blog post, so you can find them there. I'll just add a little bit more fast fuse adhesive to the back of that, and we'll just center that up and put it on the front of the card. So then I've got just a little piece of vellum here, and this vellum is cut at 1.5 inches by 4 inches, and I'm just going to put a tiny bit of adhesive down at the bottom and put this across the center of my designer paper. So like I said, the reason I put this vellum was I needed to break up the busyness of that pattern so that you could really see this lovely word there in the middle of this die cut. The pattern was just a little bit too busy and you couldn't really tell what the word said. So I put that there to soften things up. So when you run this through your Big Shot, you're actually going to take the die itself and just lay it on top of your gold foil, run it through, and this is what you'll get. You actually get this lovely die cut, and then you've got these 2 pieces left over. So I'm just going to use this leftover piece for my sentiment. So I'll just add some dimensionals to the back of this, 1 on there and 2 on this piece. And then I'll just save this and use this on another project. Okay, so I've got my backings off of there, and I'm just going to make sure that that word lovely is on the vellum. And then I'll put this piece on as well. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. And then we'll just add the As Can Be on with glue dot. Just have that go right about here. All right, and there is the finished card, and I think it is absolutely lovely. I can't believe I'm up at 3 o'clock in the morning filming this video, you guys. I'm so tired. I shouldn't even be filming this late, but I wanted to get these cards out so that I could get them sent out to you guys. So I've been up kind of late working on these little treats and designing the cards, but I really love how they turned out. So I hope that you love these cards, and I hope that you feel so appreciated when you receive this little treat in the mail from me. I'm so thankful for you guys, and I really, really do appreciate all of your support in helping my little online business grow. So thank you guys so much, and again, enjoy these little thank you gifts from me to you, and I will be back again soon with another tutorial. Bye now.